Tired of missing out on the hottest mobile games? Today, we're diving into how to snag TapTap on your iOS device. Let's jump right in. First, you can begin by opening your Settings app on your iOS device. In Settings, locate and tap on General. Within the General settings, you're going to find and click Language and Region as a first step. Next, tap on Region. This is where things get interesting. Initially, you won't find TapTap directly in the official App Store for your region. To work around this, you will need to change your region to Singapore or Hong Kong. For instance, select one of the countries from the list. Tap on the selected region to confirm your selection. Now, completely close the Settings app and open the App Store. If the App Store hasn't refreshed yet, completely close and reopen the app from your device. In the App Store search bar, type TapTap. Chances are, after changing your region, you should see the TapTap app appear in the search results. Tap on the TapTap app, and then tap the Get button to start the downloading process. You will need to verify your installation, typically using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your Apple ID password. Your Apple device will start downloading the TapTap app. After the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and configured TapTap on your iOS device for your gaming needs. Explore and enjoy.